Hey guys, so for today's episode, we've got my G35 in the background.
Finally.
Yeah, right? And not everyone in the car scene knows this, but if you lower your car, it will adjust the alignment and throw it off. And that will lead to uneven wearing and even maybe just tearing your tires apart, which is what happened to me. So it turns out, when I bought this car, it was lowered on BR series coilovers, which are awesome. But the kid didn't install the most important part. You have to put this into your budget, you really do. So we'll show you today what we're installing now. We have adjustable camber arms. One's from Z1. They make really, really durable and nice camber arms. You can see I even got some extra camber bolts, and these will be the final touches, but these adjust. Let me show you. Whoop, whoop. They adjust inward and outward by twisting these, and then they lock with these bolts, and this one even has a location for more lubrication. So, now that we have these, we're gonna install them on this. Yeah.
So you can put your nice wheels back on.
Yeah, so I don't run the burners anymore because I'm destroying. I'll show you the tires afterwards, they're bad. WD. All right, so Ryan is pointing out everything wrong with my car, and here we are right here. We've got the stock camber arm, and you can see this is super duper rusted, so we hit it with WD-40 and WD over there, same on the other side, and we just need to remove this bolt and this bolt, and then these are the extra camber bolts that are on there. You can see they've got these little wedges to keep them from turning, but on the inside of the bolt, it has adjustments. So that is how it is keeping this in and out. And this one has no adjustments, as you can see. So that is what we are fixing. So just gotta blast those off real quick and then put these on. Yeah.
Need straw, you need brake bolt.
Ready? Good, that worked.
Yep.
Good. Cool. Alright. Caveman. It's out. Good. All right, so we've got this one bolt in, and a couple things that we think we should note. This is where you would be filling it up with the lubricant if if it was going dry or anything. So you want to have that facing down so that future mechanics can actually access it. And also, I'm noticing we need to adjust it already just to get this camber bolt in. So I'm just gonna pull this down a little bit. To adjust it, it's way easy when it's all disconnected like this, but you just rotate the inner part, and you can see that there's now distance right here and distance right there So it's just getting wider, and then opposite for getting smaller. But let's see a little bit more. And you can see it's just almost there. Yeah, cool. Now I've got it all lined up in there. And then afterwards, it's got these lock nuts. You just rotate these in and lock it. But we're gonna make some more adjustments, so it's okay. But we are to these camber bolts, which they have to be installed correctly. So it's got these little plates and then the bolt itself. So what we're gonna do, got there, and you just wanna wedge these the same type of direction, so like that. On both sides, the large side facing upwards. And gotta get behind here and through the hole. Ooh, he really just likes to get wedged. Alright, so as you can see, it is all installed. We disconnected this side and then swung it down a little bit so that we could actually rotate it slightly, because it's so pinched in up there that was the only way to get it to wedge past there. But now it's all connected up, and we're just making small adjustments to see how it adjusts everything out here, because this is really what it was throwing off. I can show you from this side to the other side, but this has far less camber than it had. It might even be positive right now. And then this side is like tucked way in there. So this side is a lot more fixed, and nothing is tightened down yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and install the other side, and then we'll do some measurements and we'll match them up, make sure that the camber is nice and sweet. So it's a really good thing. It comes with, you know, new bolts. Yeah. Yep. And as you can see, this one's done. This one is a little bit more difficult than the other one was, but it's okay, because if you hit this bolt and this bolt, then it will drop the sway bar down slightly, which will give you more access to those bolts. Yeah. Oh good, you're still here, because I just got back from the alignment shop. My buddy over there told me that I need to have more adjustment abilities on this G35. Not with the camber arms anymore, but with the toe. So in the next episode, I'm gonna be showing you guys what type of options you have for adjusting the toe and changing that up a little bit. And if you made it this far, you liked the video. So make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe and share with all your friends. And we got way more coming up, of course. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take some pans of the final camber arms, but like I said, make sure that you tune in next week, and also make sure that you have this all in your budget. The alignment, the camber arms, and the toe options. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, show you that, and woo, yeah. Do 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 do. So stay tuned.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. And we'll see you next time.
Yep, that's my nice wheel, and this is why, that's why you don't want to have some jacked up suspension going on. Come on, look at that. This tire is now dead. So I'm gonna be burning these out eventually.